We create with our hands. We breathe life to new work. We create and not destroy. Hello, ako si Rosa Mirasol. Maui ang palayaw ko. Ako ang artist behind Ililikhaan. Bago mag-Ili, 2014 natuto ko mag-ceramics, mag-pottery sa UP College of Fine Arts. It was an elective. Tapos, doon ako mas napalalim yung pag-aaral ko ng ceramics kasi nag-studio assistant ako doon. Tapos doon din ako nagturo ng extension classes. So I used to teach ceramic sculpture. Tapos 2018, we moved to Los Baños kasi yung nanay ko is a professor in UPLB. Tapos kailangan niya ng kasama. So sinamahan ko siya. Tapos sabi ko, dito na ako magtatayo ng studio kasi lahat nasa Manila na eh. Nung bata pa lang ako, mahilig talaga ako magbuting-ting. So I like crafts. Pero hindi ko kailanman inisip na maging artist ako. Nung college, it took me 8 years para malaman ko ano talaga yung gusto kong gawin. Kapag artist ka, mainly you work with your hands. And working with your hands is so important. Lalo na ngayon sa mundo na ang bilis-bilis. Tapos lahat busy, lahat parang walang oras para sa sarili, self-well-being. Tapos pati sa kapwa, ipakikinig sa makasama, sa mga kaibigan. So sabi ko, napaka-importante maging artist sa panahon ngayon kasi yung mga artist may mata para makita ko ano yung nangyayari. Tapos merong tenga na nakikinig. Hindi lang sa labas, pero pati sa loob. I used to teach in UP, but I always felt I was not a good teacher. So sabi ko, parang wala akong kwenta. Ganun talaga yung pakiramdam ko noon. Tapos, noong 2017, I had a lot of friends who had depression. So sabi ko, gusto ko sila i-invite, tapos magka-clay lang kami. So, i-invite ko sila, nag-picnic kami under the tree. Tapos nagdala akong banig, tsaka clay. Tapos nag-clay-clay kami. Tapos doon nagsimula yun. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, I found my purpose. I think I have to do this. Parang feeling ko, meron na akong kwenta kung ito yung gagawin ko. So, that's how Ili started, really. Parang, it's just really responding to what my friends, what the world needs, ganun. Since having a child, I'm a new mom. So ngayon, meron akong baby. Tapos sabi namin, gusto namin mag-ugat dito sa Batangas naman. Tapos, and we also wanted to offer what we know, what we think is also good kasi it's nature-based, mula sa lupa, para sa lupa. Yun yung prinsipyo ng Ili. So sabi namin, yung mga tao mag-resonate with what we offer. So sana mabigyan tayo na tao, parang may ma-establish na community. So yun, current challenge siya ngayon, establishing a community here of learners and our artists na with the same parang mindset of being well. So Ili Bathaluman means earth goddesses. Yung Ili Bathaluman is a group of women, friends. Yung grupo siya ng nanay ko tsaka mga tita ko. So sila, they're feminists, tapos they used to work under one NGO. Tapos bumuo sila ng Ili Bathaluman para maging hotline for sexually abused girls. So growing up, I have that kind of sensibility kasi sinasama nila ako sa mga gender sensitivity training. Yun din, umiikot kami around the Philippines. So karay-karay ako ng nanay ko. Tapos, and yun din yung parang yung value na nakita ko din. That's why I am also raising my daughter na lagi ko siyang karay-karay everywhere I go. So yung mga ginagawa ko, yung iconic designs are diwata, parang babaylan, talaga. Parang it's the divine feminine inside all of us. Tas influence ko rin is really coming from my mom who's a historian. Kaya ang lalim din ng pagtingin doon sa kalinangan tsaka kultura ng Pilipinas. So our designs also are based on our culture. So we have mga archaeological artifacts. Parang it's inspired from those patterns and designs. So ganun ginagawa ng Ili. Tapos Ili naman, kaya Ili, di ba earth nga, it's an ancient word meaning earth. Pero in Ilocano, it also means bayan. So, it's like giving back to the motherland also. Tapos, it also means center. Kasi sa ceramics, it's key to create something, you have to find your center. And also, with all kinds of art, I think, hindi lang siya sa pottery, ano talaga, mahalaga na bumalik sa loob tapos makita mo kung saan, parang limitless kasi yung potential ng loob eh. So pag nakabalik ka doon, you will make magic, you will make wonders. Ang vision ko talaga is to create a community here of loving, compassionate people who value listening, working with their hands, working para something handmade, something local, parang true to themselves. And naniniwala ko na the world is a manifestation of our hearts. So kung ano yung nilikha natin mula sa ating kamay, parang butterfly effect siya. Meron siyang epekto. So yung mga products din namin, it's also mindfully done. So whenever I create something, I set an intention, tapos na hopefully yun yung nare-receive din ng mga tao. Kasi yung clay is, pag nakita mo, isipin mo isang lump of earth, isang lupa. So it's really pure magic. So yung clay, it's really earth and water. Parang palawak ng palawak yung mundo. Kasi yung mga tao na welcome namin in our space, nagiging part din ng buhay namin. Like for example, dito, di ba kaka-open lang namin noong February. Tapos meron kaming 2 pedya na students. Tapos sila, medyo stressed sila sa work. So parang every month nandito sila. Tapos every workshop, parang suki na namin sila. Tapos pupunta lang sila dito to chill. So ganun talaga gusto namin ma-create. Parang syempre we need yung fees nga, workshop fees para ma-sustain our business, but eventually we really want to open the space for everyone. So yun din yung good challenge na iniisip din namin. How can we be accessible to everybody, even those who cannot afford to pay for workshop fees? Tayong lahat, hindi lang sa gustong maging artist, parang we have to be true to ourselves. So it's so important to listen to what our hearts really want. It's also natural working with our hands. Kasi di ba every day when we wake up, we really work with our hands. Pero iba pa rin yung when your hands are creating. Tingin ko siya it's a revolutionary power. Kasi everything now is destructive, di ba? So yung artists, sobrang valuable, sobrang halaga ng artists ngayon. Kasi we create with our hands. We breathe life to new works. We create and not destroy. So, and what we create could be a statement. So it matters. So just listen to what your heart really wants and go for it. It's just really enjoying the journey and para cherishing all the relationships you built and all the learnings you gathered from your journey. Being here in Batangas, it's so beautiful. Nabavalue ko din dito yung authenticity of the people. Masaya kasi yun nga, marami kaming puno, marami akong materials na nagagamit. Tapos yung clay that we also use is just here in Batangas. So here in our backyard. So I mix my own stoneware clay, I mix our terracotta soil here. So parang honoring Batangas kasi yung mismong soil na ginagamit namin comes from here. Magandang araw, ako si Rosa Mirasol, Maui ang aking palayaw at ako ang artist behind Ililikhaan.